Welcome to this tutorial on how to link spreadsheet values to your design in FreeCAD. Let's get started. Open FreeCAD. Switch to the Spreadsheet workbench by selecting Spreadsheet from the Workbench drop-down menu located at the top of the FreeCAD window. This will allow us to work with spreadsheet functionality. Create a new document or open an existing one. Create a new spreadsheet. You can see that spreadsheet is added. Our objective is to make a beam using 3 parameters: length, width, and height. So in this spreadsheet, we will add these 3 parameters. Enter the desired names. In column C, we will define parameter unit for our reference. Column B is important for us. Enter values. We will take parametric values from column B. In a spreadsheet, an alias refers to an alternative name or label given to a cell or range of cells. It allows you to assign a more meaningful or descriptive name to a cell or range, making it easier to reference and understand in formulas or calculations. In the alias definition dialog, enter the desired alias name for the selected cell or range. You can see that cell color is changed to yellow after providing name. Do the same for height and width. Once you've assigned an alias to a cell or range, you can use that alias in formulas or calculations instead of using the cell coordinates. You can format selection range of cells. You can change cells color or text color by doing these steps. Next step is to make a part. Select Part Design Workbench. Add a new body. Add a new sketch. Select XY plane and click OK. Select Rectangle tool for making a beam's cross-section. Lines are not visible, let's change background color. You can see here remaining degrees of freedom to make this sketch fully constrained. Select Vertical Distance tool to provide distance. It will reduce 1 degree of freedom. Remaining 2 are width and height. Use distance constraint to lock these. Enter any value. Do the same for this line. Turn on Auto Update so Sketch will be updated automatically by changing values in Spreadsheet. Double-click on this constraint to link with Spreadsheet. Click on this icon. Expression will be spreadsheet name.alias name. Select Width Alias. Click OK. You can also provide constraint name here. Click OK. You can see here expression icon is added to this constraint. We will do the same for height. Check expression icon. Close this sketch. Do not forget to turn on auto update. Change the values in spreadsheet for width and height and see how sketch is updated. You can see updated sketch. Now we will extrude this sketch to provide beam length. Click on this icon and link length alias from spreadsheet. You can see that beam length is taken from spreadsheet. Change parameter values and see the updated design. Congratulations! You have successfully linked the dimensions of your sketch to the values in the spreadsheet. Now, whenever you update the values in the spreadsheet cells, the linked dimensions in the sketch will automatically update accordingly, allowing for dynamic adjustments. And that's it. You have learned how to link spreadsheet values to your sketch in FreeCAD. This feature can be particularly useful for parametric design and design iteration.